TBK401 vacuum laminator focuses on mobile phone screen laminator. Small size, lightweight, simple connection, external 1-liter vacuum pump. No need for external air compressor. The interface is easy to operate without complicated settings and supports both Chinese and English. If you need to customize the settings, set them in the sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4 as shown in the video. It's as simple and convenient as that. Then place the positioned screen into the laminator. Click Start to close the transparent window and wait until the fit is complete. When the fitted screen is removed, only tiny bubbles can be seen. Next, put it into TBK505 deforming machine for deforming. 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the situation. Wait until the time is up. Unscrew the bleed valve. The fit was perfect when we looked at it close up, without any bubbles.